Hello people, welcome back to my channel, and this video will help the people who can understand the English very much but they are not able to speak it. And this happens when your tongue is not used to that language or English, because when you are speaking it regularly, your tongue is used to that language, so you will not find it difficult to speak it correctly or fluently. So how do we develop these habits, or how do we get that fluent English that we want to speak? So there are some habits that I will mention. I will mention three habits that you should do to make your English very good or fluent. So first habit would be that you have to read the English loudly. And this is because when you're speaking it loudly, you will find it difficult because you do not have that uh, fluently English, so you will not able to read it properly also. Okay, you can read it easily slowly, but when you are speaking it loud, your tongue will not allow it. So you will make mistakes, but you will keep practicing, so you will get that confidence and you can read it properly, so you will be able to speak it properly also when you know at the other things, because it will build a confidence. It will build a habit for your tongue to speak it correctly or speak it fluently. So the second habit that I will mention, that is practicing in front of the camera. This is also a very good habit that you should include in your English improving journey, because when you are speaking in front of the camera, you will find it difficult. You will get nervous because you are there to judge yourself. When you're speaking like without camera, you will just say like, I should make mistakes or I can make mistakes. But when you're speaking in front of the camera, you will have the pressure that you have to speak it correctly, because you will watch that video afterwards and you will mark those mistakes. So there is someone to judge you. So when you're speaking in front of the camera, that is also a very great habit that you can include in your English improving journey. Okay, third habit would be correcting those mistakes. And in correcting those mistakes, the thing will help you, that will be the AI, that is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will help you correcting those mistakes and speaking the correct English. You can role play with the AI, and you can do any other thing also with the AI. You can speak with that. So you will help, the ChatGPT will help you to speak the correct English also. So these are the three habits that help me personally to make a fluent English. So if you found it helpful for you, so you can hit the like button and subscribe the channel. And also for the online classes, if you want online classes from me, so you can contact on the WhatsApp number that I will mention in my description. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.